And breaking news, the Aam Aadmi Party workers are now protesting outside the Anand Parbat police station in Delhi over the murder of the 19-year-old. These are visuals that we are getting to you now. Pooja also with us on the phone line. Pooja, who really is leading these protests? And it's important to remember that it's coming just today after that meeting between the Delhi Police Commissioner and the Chief Minister.
That is right. In fact, this is the Anand Parbat police station, and the live visuals that you are getting are of Aam Aadmi Party workers. This is the youth wing in a scuffle with the Delhi police. This is just right across the police station that this protest is currently on. And what you see behind me are really these workers who continue to face this scuffle. And I can tell you that the police personnel are constantly asking the Aam Aadmi Party workers to in fact
visuals that you are getting are of Aam Aadmi Party workers. This is the youth wing in a scuffle with the Delhi police. This is just right across the police station that this protest is currently on. And what you see behind me are really workers who continue to face this scuffle. And I can tell you that the police personnel are constantly asking the Aam Aadmi Party workers to in fact tell these people to head towards the other side of the barricade. But what you see are these very angry Aam Aadmi Party workers that who are not willing to really listen. So definitely with these posters, what they're asking is the resignation of the SHO, the resignation of the ACP, and therefore all these workers of the Aam Aadmi Party are currently in fact not willing to back down. So definitely there is this scuffle. As you can see, the barricades are now being lifted, because what had happened exactly was that the barricades had been broken down by the Aam Aadmi Party workers. In fact, the workers are pushing through. The workers are pushing through these barricades, and the Delhi police is constantly asking them to in fact quieten down. So therefore definitely here the Aam Aadmi Party workers not willing to listen. They're not willing to absolutely pay heed to what is being asked. But definitely this is anger. They say this is public anger. They say that this is why the police has to be held accountable. It is also extremely political. It is the same Aam Aadmi Party which is currently in power, and for them to continue to organize this protest is not really faring well. And therefore, as of now, we can see there is the Delhi police, there is also the CRPF. So both these of course battalions are currently here. They are protesting. Aam Aadmi Party workers not willing to listen at all. Aam Aadmi Party workers continue to maintain that only after the SHO and the ACP have resigned that in fact some action will be taken. So right across the Anand Parbat police station, what we have are these protests by the Aam Aadmi Party youth wing workers. They are also trying to make a mark. We've consistently seen how both sides are on loggerheads. So while the Delhi police personnel are trying to engage the Aam Aadmi Party youth wing workers, trying to ask them to back down, but the AAP youth wing workers not willing to back down. We just a short while back saw that they were jumping off the barricades, and that is why this situation is only going to get worsened, because this conflict between the Aam Aadmi Party and also that of the Delhi police is not going to tire down. So we have currently the senior police personnel who are trying to in fact initiate some discussion with these Aam Aadmi Party youth wing workers, but it doesn't seem to be working. They clearly continue with the CRPF and the Delhi police. The scuffle continues. There is this constant agitation. The Delhi Police Commissioner is extremely defiant. He's taken offense to a lot of words being spoken by Kejriwal. But here what we say, Aam Aadmi Party claiming that it is basically the public anger. But is it really, or is it a political opportunity? But Aam Aadmi Party youth wing workers continue to agitate right outside the Anand Parbat police station. This is the same area where in fact that 19-year-old girl was brutally killed. There were 32 wounds on her body. So definitely what you see, Aam Aadmi Party claims it is a fair form of protest.